Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. So I just got ready. I'm gonna go run some errands and do some home decor shopping. There is a store I want to take you guys to because I just found out about it and they sell a lot of stuff. Home decor clothes. It's kind of like a thrift store, but I don't know if it's considered a thrift store. And then I need to work on the patio, so I'll be sharing that with you guys. I'm gonna do a quick hair review right now because I am trying out some new hair and show you guys my outfit of the day. So let's start off with the hair. This is from Tanisha Hair. I believe that's how you say the name. But yeah, they sell a lot of human hair wigs and different kinds. This one is a 13x4 closure, which means you get like lace all right here. It does come with adjustable straps and you do get combs on the inside as well. But this is a bob. I do need to work on styling it some more because it's not looking like, you know, that really sleek bob that I like, but maybe because of the length is longer on me, maybe if it was shorter, it'll like fall like a bob. And it did come as a middle part originally, but I don't care too much about the middle parts, so I made it a side part. And I don't know if that has something to do with like how it's laying, not really having that bob look that I really love. But I mean, it is still really nice. I haven't had any issues with it. I did wash it and it washed pretty well, and I just put some heat on it at 400 and I didn't have any issues with like the hair burning or anything. But it is really nice, no tangling. It's short hair, so it's not really gonna tangle much, and I didn't experience any shedding. I did cut the lace off and it was shedding from just like me cutting the lace, but after that I didn't experience any shedding with this hair. It's not a yucky texture, it's more on the silky side. And I did have to open up the parting space some because, you know, it's really tight, so I had to tweeze it to open it up some. I think I need to go back and tweeze it some more because it still looks kind of tight. And I did apply some powder to the parting space just to make it look more realistic. I don't bleach my knots and I don't do all of that. I just use powder because it's quick and it's easy and it works for me. But yeah, this is the unit, guys. I will have this linked if you want to get your hands on it. As far as my outfit, I just have on this tank and these jeans, both from Ross, and I also have this belt on. This is from Ross. Okay, my entire outfit is from Ross, minus the necklace. I am gonna put on a cardigan with this because it is somewhat chilly outside. But yeah, I'm gonna just go throw on a gray cardigan with this. And I think I'm gonna put on these flats here because I mean, it's not freezing cold outside. I can still have my toes out. I mean, this is Florida. So I'm just gonna put on these flats because they are really cute, and I'm not trying to wear heels or anything because I'm going to be doing a lot of walking in these stores. So yeah, that is the look for today. Now the first store we're going to go to, I think I'm going to go to 2 different stores. I want to hit up Ross again, but we'll see. I really want to take you guys to this store called Dirt Cheap. So we're in the store, guys, and they have a ton of stuff in here. As you guys can see, this store is huge, and the prices, oh my goodness, amazing prices. They have really huge markdowns. Some of this stuff is like 70% off, and just the discounts are just really great. So if you have one of these stores in your area, I definitely recommend you guys give it a try. I was seeing a lot of stuff from Target, bedding, shoes. I don't go into like the clothing section because it's way too unorganized for me, and I just don't have time to look through all of those racks. I just can't. Like, maybe if I have time one day, I'll just browse through the clothes, but they have so many, and I don't know, I just don't like how it's organized. So I just focus on like the bedding and all of the furniture pieces, and sometimes I go back there and look at the shoes because they do kind of have that organized. And they also have a lot of toys. You can even find light fixtures inside of here, grills, all kinds of stuff. So it's really great. You just have to take your time and look through all of these items. The only thing I don't like about it though is that they don't unbox a lot of their furniture pieces, so you have to go in there and unbox the stuff if you want to see what's inside. They take some of the items out, out, but they just stack everything up, and you know, if you want to see what's inside, you can unbox it, or maybe call one of the staff members over to unbox it for you. So I just wanted to show you the store, guys, in case you have it in your area and you've never been inside. You can find some really good stuff in here at some pretty amazing prices. I wasn't trying to do a full shop with me in the store because it's way too unorganized for that, and with a lot of this stuff still being in the boxes, it's just like I'm not about to come in here and unbox all of these items just to see what's inside. So definitely check it out, guys, because I do think you can find some good stuff in here. All right, I am in Ross now. I'm just going to show you guys around, see what's new, and then we're going to head back home and get some work done on the patio. Alright guys, I'm back home on the patio, which is somewhat of a storage area right now. I need to come out here and just sweep and put the rug down, the patio rug that I purchased from Home Goods. I'm trying to decide on if I want to get a patio, like an outdoor sectional. I mean, I really want to do that. I think it'll look really nice instead of having all of these random pieces. But the thing is, when we move, if we move back to our house in Virginia, we don't have a patio. So I don't want to buy a patio set and then have to sell it when it's time to move. As of right now, I just have a bunch of random stuff because we didn't have any space in the garage. So I have a chair out here. This doesn't belong out here. These are just chairs that we had in Virginia and it was in storage. But the garage is pretty packed already. But I just need to work on this space because I really want to decorate this patio. I don't want to turn it into another storage area because that's what it is right now. But I really want to decorate it because when it's nice and hot out, we want to come out here. We want to have, like, you know, our meals out here, and I don't want it to look like this. So I'm going to try to work on this space. I'm not going to finish anything right now, but I do need to put the rug down and just see how it looks. Make sure I don't have to return it. Okay, I can hear something in the woods and it's creeping me out right now. So I'm just gonna finish this up in the morning. And it's really dark. I cannot see out there. So yeah, I'm gonna go in the house. All right, so I need to finish up. It was way too dark to finish last night and I was hearing sounds. So I was like, nope. All right, so here is the rug. It's definitely not the same as what's on the display picture. I really love the way this looks, this design, but this is not the same. I don't know about this anymore. All right, so I have this rug, guys. This is not an outdoor rug, but I wanted to bring it out here and see like if the navy blue is gonna work, although it looks black on camera. Let me get it at a different angle. There we go, you can see it. But I'm gonna play around with this rug and see if the navy blue is what I'm gonna do. All right, guys, so I am somewhat done. I am just gonna work with what I have. It's been a few hours. The kids came home and I was just tending to them, but it's starting to get dark out. But I did come back out here and just like fix it up some. I do need to roll this rug back up and put it in the house because it is not an outdoor rug. And when it rains, I don't want it to get wet and get like moldy and stuff because that's what'll happen if I keep this indoor rug out here. But I do like the blue. Although I might get something that's a brighter blue or maybe colorful like that that cushion, but we'll see. We will see what I come across when I go back to Home Goods to return the other rug that I had. And that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.